Here in Trinity College Library, about 20% of the library's collection is on the open shelves. So how do you go about finding them? Start with the library catalogue. Shelf marks are assigned to books to enable you to find them. Write down the shelf mark in full or use your smartphone. You will need the shelf mark when you are looking for the book on the shelves. Each copy of every book has its own unique shelf mark. With the help of the notices on the walls or the Bookmark Guides, use the first 3 numbers of the shelf mark to locate the section of the library where the book is. When you reach the section of the library you are looking for, use the guides at the end of the shelf units to help you locate where the book is on the shelf. Please bear in mind these guides are not complete lists of all the individual shelf marks. As you can see here, 801.09 is a collection of books on the history of literary criticism. Let's find this section on the shelf. The order of the books on the shelves is from left to right and from top to bottom. Within the bay, each book has a white label with the shelf mark. The shelf mark can be broken down into parts. First, find the Dewey number 801.09. We've now found the books at 801.09. Next, look for the letters that follow 801.09. They are in alphabetical order from left to right. Move along the shelves until you find N. Then, look at the numbers that follow N. Look for the first number after N, which is 0. When you find N0, keep moving from left to right until you find N07. LEN 801.09 N07. As you can see, there are a number of copies of this book. The shelf marks for the other copies have a semicolon and another number after the semicolon. Now that you've found your book, you can read it in the library, photocopy some of it, or borrow it. Once you've finished with the book, please don't try and reshelve it yourself. It's so easy to put it back in the wrong place, and once the book is misshelved, it can take a long time before it's found again. Instead, just place it on the nearest trolley. You'll find a more detailed guide to finding books in the library on the library website, or if you've any questions about shelf marks, visit the duty desk or the library counter where the library staff will be happy to help.